Hey guys, so today I have a 2x2x3. This one I 3D printed and I designed it. This was actually one of my first designs. It's just, I posted a picture on Instagram a long time ago, probably in January I think. Anyways, so this was when I still thought you made puzzles by designing each piece. So like, when I had first met Jonathan, I was like, man, it must be hard to make a 5x5, and yeah, it's kind of, yeah. But anyways, we're not going to talk about that anymore. I didn't know about tolerances either, so I had to sand this a lot. But it turns quite well. Like, you can do R2s, and it catches quite a bit because I didn't put very big fillets on it. It's basically a square one mechanism attached to a 1x2x2, which is actually an internal 1x2x3 that's bandaged. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some life updates as well. Finals are next week, so that's why I've been kind of inactive. I had a final today as well, and I had a video final due on Monday. I'll give you guys a small sneak peek. There's the small sneak peek, and this is my little 1x2x3. It's pretty good. I think the files are up on Thingiverse. So if you guys really did want to build it, it requires a lot of sanding, but it's pretty good. It also has 20mm cubies, so yeah, I'm sorry, Nathan. Yeah, I can't do that really for you. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, I also did get a fluid head tripod, so look at that. And that's what the intro was done on. So yeah, I'll see you all later. Bye.